Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Motorola Moto G71 5G. Okay, for that we will have several ways for. Let me show you the best two ways. For the first one we will need the buttons. So the power button and the volume down button. So if you press these both buttons now for the same time, just for short, you will have a screenshot. After you have a preview here, you can edit the screenshot, you can share it, you can check it out with Google Lens and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbols on the pen, then you're able to draw something inside and so on with the pens here. And if you want, or you can highlight also something. And if you want, you can also add with this symbol here, you can crop a part of the screenshot. Like this here, very useful if you want to have a picture maybe from a website or something like this. And after you can also share it here directly, this edited part, or you can save it here to your gallery. And there's another way to take a screenshot with just 3 fingers. So just put the 3 fingers on the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So just put 3 fingers at the same time on the screen. Let me do it again. And you're having a screenshot, as you can see. You're going to find the screenshots after, of course, here at the Photos app. And what is very important, you cannot see the screenshots at the point Photos. You need to go to the library. And here you will have an own folder just for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. Or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And maybe until next time. Ciao.